Welcome to Tucson Hebrew Academy. It is a joy to gather with you and to celebrate the enduring power of Jewish education to illuminate the world. Today, as we cut the ribbon on our new makerspace, it is a moment of gratitude, of pride, and of possibility as we reflect on the importance of investing in our children and in the future of our community. At THA, we believe deeply in nurturing curiosity, confidence, and Jewish identity in every child. That belief guides us as we expand our programs, strengthen our academics, and create spaces where students learn not only facts and skills, but also resilience, creativity, and purpose. One of the most exciting parts of our work is developing environments where students can design, build, experiment, and solve problems. Spaces where they learn that fail simply means first attempt in learning. These rooms are not just filled with tools and technology. They are places where imagination becomes innovation, where children discover how capable they are, and where they experience the joy of bringing ideas to life. But beyond robotics kits, 3D printers, or engineering challenges, what this space truly represents is something much deeper: the gift of Jewish education. Jewish education teaches our children to ask questions, think critically, make ethical decisions, and see themselves as part of a story much greater than their own. It gives them roots, values, and the confidence to contribute meaningfully to the world, and it is essential to the continuity of the Jewish people. Continuity requires inclusive communities that hold all of our children, not only those who learn easily or fit neatly into a mold. As the only Jewish community day school in Tucson, THA embraces a sacred obligation to serve children of differing abilities, unique strengths, and diverse needs. That commitment requires deep and ongoing investment. Each year, we allocate significant resources to ensure our students receive the fullest possible Jewish and academic experience. Those things include more than $450,000 toward Hebrew language, Judaic studies, and Jewish programming, the heart of who we are. Over $100,000 annually dedicated to social-emotional learning and individualized student support. Investments that ensure our students are prepared not only for high school, but for a global and changing world. These are not luxuries. They are the foundation that allows THA to remain a values-driven, academically strong, and inclusive Jewish day school, one where every child can thrive and where Jewish learning is accessible to every family. As we reflect on the lights, miracles, and hope woven throughout our tradition, we are reminded that even the smallest flame can dispel great darkness. In the same way, the creativity, courage, and curiosity of our students have the power to bring light to our community and beyond. And every time you invest in Jewish education, you help that light grow, child by child, generation by generation. We are grateful for the generous support from JPSA and thankful for your partnership, your belief in our mission, and your commitment to building a bright, strong future for the Jewish community. Your support ensures that the flame of Jewish learning continues to shine in Tucson for generations to come. This year, give the gift of Jewish education. Chag Urim Sameach. Happy Hanukkah.